The electric vehicle world is changing, fast. For years Tesla ruled the road, the tech pioneer, the brand that made EVs cool, but a new heavyweight is rising, and it's not coming from California, it's coming from China. BYD is rapidly becoming the most dominant electric car company in the world, and 2026 may be the year it officially overtakes Tesla, once and for all. Let's break down the numbers, the strategy, and the truth behind why BYD might take over Tesla. Welcome to the Plug-in Report, your source for the future of electric mobility. For years, Tesla has dominated the global EV conversation, but 2025 changed everything, especially in Europe. In July 2025, BYD passed Tesla to become Europe's top-selling EV brand. Think about this: BYD sales, 13,503 registrations, up 225% year-over-year. Tesla sales, 8,837, down 40%. That's not a small slip, that's a market shift. BYD now holds 1.2% EV market share in Europe, while Tesla has slipped to 0.8%. This isn't just one good month. BYD has consistently outpaced Tesla since early 2025. Europe, one of the most competitive EV markets in the world, has a new leader, and Tesla's once unshakable throne, it's starting to crack. So, how did this happen? Why is BYD growing at breakneck speed while Tesla slows? It starts with technology, price, and strategy. BYD makes its own batteries. Tesla buys a huge portion from suppliers. BYD's Blade battery, cheaper, safer, highly efficient, industry-leading reliability. BYD builds almost every major component in-house: motors, semiconductors, battery packs, even mining raw materials. Tesla, still heavily outsourcing. BYD builds factories where its customers are: Hungary, Thailand, Brazil, Turkey. And the results? BYD production soared from 500,000 vehicles to over 4 million in 7 years. They nearly matched Tesla's 2024 EV sales, 1.76 million versus 1.79 million. They beat Tesla in revenue in Q3 2024, $28 billion versus $25 billion. BYD didn't just grow, they engineered domination. Tesla is still a leader, no question. The Model Y remains Europe's top EV, but sales are falling. Why? No major new models, price cuts squeezing margins, competition everywhere, especially from China, brand damage from Elon Musk's political controversies. Tesla is betting big on a compact, affordable EV coming late 2025 or early 2026. But here's the problem: BYD already sells affordable EVs, and they sell them profitably. Tesla is trying to move down the price ladder. BYD started at the bottom, and is climbing fast into premium territory. Tesla changed the game. BYD is rewriting the rules. The global numbers don't lie. EV demand isn't slowing, it's exploding. 9.1 million EVs sold worldwide in the first half of 2025, up 28%. China leads with 5.5 million, Europe hit 2 million, up 26%. Global market share hitting 25% of all new vehicles. And where is BYD? Everywhere. It's already the world's #1 new energy vehicle maker and aims for 5 to 6 million sales by 2025, with half outside China. This isn't a bubble, this is a surge, and BYD is riding the wave harder than anyone. 2026, the year everything changes. So what happens next? Tesla is still an icon, still a technology powerhouse, still the brand that brought EVs to the mainstream, but markets aren't emotional, they follow momentum. And momentum is with BYD: rapid global factory build-out, massive cost advantage, next-gen solid-state battery coming, deep vertical integration, affordable EV lineup ready right now. 2026 could be the year BYD officially takes the global crown, in sales, production, and influence. The EV revolution has entered its second era, and the leader might soon be wearing a badge that says, "Build your dreams." So, is Tesla in trouble? Is BYD the new king? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This debate is just getting started. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more EV news, tech deep dives, and industry analysis. Thanks for watching the Plug-in Report. What do you win prober for them? It's all the spot in Buon Brr, Mouth Bubber, what one in watching or sponsor. One bought in the future of transportation gets charged up.